Hey guys, fall is near, and what's better to fill your home with other than the aroma of pumpkin and spice? These easy muffins only need 2 ingredients, 1 box of spiced cake mix and 1 can of pure pumpkin. Add your cake mix in your pumpkin into a bowl, and then add your puree. All right, next guys, we're gonna go ahead and mix everything up together. Now you will see that the batter is thick. That's exactly how you want it to be. Continue to mix until everything is incorporated. Next, we're gonna take our pumpkin spice mix and we're gonna go ahead and scoop it into our cupcake liners. Since the mix is so thick, it's okay to use another utensil or spoon to help scoot it out. Your whole house will smell like fall. Just 2 ingredients, guys. Endless pumpkin spice goodness. And don't forget to save this recipe. Bye now.